con los terroristas.
They do the Harlem
Drake flip. What the? Hold that shit, bitch. Get your ass back here, Van Beek. Don't run from me.
Oh no, oh no. He can't be.
Hey you! Get off my roof, you bum!
Shh, you gotta be quiet.
Put that gun down! What's the matter with you?
Drake, he's here. He's gonna kill us all. Look, you have to hide me.
Wait a second. You mean Drake as in Nathan Drake? That baby back bitch owes me money. Oh, I swear if I see him, I'm gonna...
Eat that punk, bitch.
Drake, stop right there. I'll shoot.
You ain't about that life, Van Beek. You never have been. Out of all the hellgas out there, you're the coward.
Look, don't get mad at me because your rap career is over. It's not my fault.
That's where you're wrong. My rap career is far from over. I'm still Mr. G.O.T.Y.
I just wanted to make a Harlem Shake video, Drake.
No more Harlem Shake videos, Van Beek. For this, you must die.
Okay, fine. But know this, Drake. I will respond. And when I do, I'm gonna
Shut the fuck up. Ain't nobody got time for that. These motherfuckers really must have forgot who I am. I think it's time I refresh their memories.